Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is Game Dev HQ, and enjoy the best of Made with Unity.
Made this 3D adaptation based on the Secret of Mana environment by Dervish. A quick look at some Humble Bundle assets and the Assassin from Retro Style Games. The link is below. Working on Seasons for Be Castled by Nordwolf. Showing off the new HUD in Elysian Escape by Raven's Insight. Trying out new environmental destruction by Far Planet Games. Another Boss by Bart. Toying around with the new level editor by Maxim. Star Fox gameplay implemented over the summer by Alec. The link is below. Update number 3 for Project Meta. The demo is live by Corey Robinson. The link is below. Are You Ready by Damien. Crazy Taxi meets Blade Runner by Tim Bruh. Rawshire: The Last Hatchling, looking for testers by Perpetual Reality Studios. The link is below. How cool is this Rallycross track by Race League? Bridging the gap between old-school dungeon crawlers, arcade RPGs, and combo-driven fighters, Crumbling World is a casual dive into dark fantasy. Download on Steam today, the link is below. With Insanity 2D, Bob is insane and he's trying to acquire the mystical gems of greatness, overcome traps, puzzles, and reach infamy. Available on the App Store now, the link is below. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe to be notified about upcoming videos, and use the Twitter hashtag MadeWithUnity to possibly be featured on our upcoming videos. This is GameDevHQ.com and we're out of here. See you next week.